Hi folks, so today I'm going to test the exhaust sound of the two cars you see behind me. We have an M4 competition pack and an M140. The M140 has a cap delete pipe as well as a BCS midpipe, so it's a little bit more rorty than standard, and the competition pack is completely standard. The comp pack comes with the performance exhaust as standard, so it's a little bit more rorty than the normal M4. So the first test is cold start for both cars. I'll just leave the cars in whatever settings they're in when they start. So it'll be normal or comfort for the 140, and I think the M4 will start in sport, which is its medium engine setting. So now we'll do sport mode for both cars. And for the final test, we'll do Sport Plus on both.